Hello and welcome back to Murdered While Pregnant. Riese was a 22-year-old expectant mother who was waiting to have her baby next month before she was savagely murdered by her ex-boyfriend. First, we will get into the disclaimer and then I will explain why I started Murdered While Pregnant. And after that, we will get right into the video. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can spread this information for prevention in the future. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Murdered While Pregnant. I was in nursing school in 1989 when first introduced to pregnant women being at a higher risk of being murdered than dying from pregnancy-related issues. This shocked all of us young nursing students. Surprisingly, this continues today, which is why I want to bring awareness in hopes to save pregnant mothers and their babies. Additionally, it is my hope that people seek mental health treatment instead of hurting others. Wall Street Journal reporter Nidhi Subramanian reported homicide as the leading cause of maternal death. Pregnant women in the United States die by homicide more than they die of pregnancy-related causes, and they frequently are killed by a partner, according to a study published last month in Obstetrics and Gynecology. Researchers revealed this grim statistic by using death certificates to compare homicides and pregnancy-related deaths across the entire country for the first time. So today, I present the stories of these mothers. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, as well as leave a comment. And if you know of a mother who has been murdered while pregnant, please share her story with me so that I can share it with others so that we can bring more awareness to this issue and hopefully combat it together. Thank you.
Faces murder charges for beheading a pregnant woman in Alton.
Police say Lise Dodd's mother found her dead in her home in the 3400 block of Bolivar Street last Thursday. Dodd was expected to have a mid-July delivery.
What happened to 22-year-old Lisa Dodd, who had just moved to this place in Alton, is beyond irreprehensible. It's abominable. It is completely terrible what happened to her. Her unborn child was also killed as a result of this. So she was brutally murdered, as well as her unborn child. This daughter, this mother-to-be, and her family were in the planning stages of a baby shower that was supposed to be at the end of June.
DeAndre Holloway is in police custody and charged with first-degree murder and intentional homicide of an unborn child, among other charges. He is said to have had an on and off dating relationship with Dodd for about 2 years.